Feeling stuck? Burnt out? You're not alone. Every creator hits that wall. Zero ideas, no traction, and the pressure to keep uploading. But what if I told you YouTube is quietly hiding a free AI tool that gives you viral ideas, titles, hooks, and even thumbnails? And the craziest part? Almost no one knows about it. There's a tab called Inspiration. It's always been there, but now it's powered by AI, and it's a total game changer. And no, YouTube didn't shout about it. No tutorial, no pop-up, just silently rolled it out. It's like ChatGPT, but built into your studio. I asked AI tools for teachers, and boom, it gave me 3 solid ideas, a title, and a thumbnail concept in seconds. When I saw it work, I felt excited and honestly a little frustrated because nobody shared this. Not in tutorials, not on Reddit, nowhere. Now, first thing first, we want to head over to YouTube. Click on YouTube. Here's the home screen of YouTube. Now directly go and click on your profile picture over there. And with the series of options over here, now we're going to be clicking on YouTube Studio, where it's going to take us to this page. Now in this page, we have 2 options to access these YouTube ideas. You can use either analytics or content. Let's go through analytics. Now, from the analytics, mind you, this is a channel that I play with, so do not mind the views and all that. Meanwhile, we are here on the analytics. We are going to see 4 tabs. One is the overview, one is the content, one is the audience, and the other one is trend. We are going to click on this trend. Now, this is what YouTube is suggesting for me, and I'm not interested in any one of these suggestions YouTube is making, which will take us to this part of inspiration. You can click inspiration through or can just come over to content. And from here, click on inspiration. This is the page of inspiration. It looks like ChatGPT, where you can give it a prompt. You can just type any keyword you want to work on. Like assuming we want video editing, click on suggestion and wait for it to give us the ideas. These are the ideas YouTube is currently giving us. AI-powered video editing tools for beginners. Now let's easily click any one of them. So I just click on this first one over here. Now this is the main part of the idea. So YouTube is going to build a structure for you that we can work on with. You can click on Show More. As we can see, YouTube is just giving us one hook that you can use for your video to work on. Now strolling over to Outline. These are the outline that will guide you through the process of the video that we want to work on. And here's the beauty about YouTube. It will organize it so good. Come on, this is really amazing, sincerely. And that is the sole purpose of this inspiration. It's just like ChatGPT, where you give it a prompt and it's going to give you an answer. Now we also have the thumbnails idea for our creation. For the video that you want to work on, and this are just thumbnails design hints that it is suggesting for you. With the help, you can make something similar. It's just telling you what to look out for. Not like it's generating the thumbnails for you. It's just an idea based on this particular topic you want to work on. You can tailor it to your style. Now, if you scroll down, you are going to see title suggestions as well from the almighty YouTube itself. And this is really good. Not so long, and it's direct. Here's the first title idea. Level up your editing skills with AI Beginner's Guide, which you can use for your next creation. Effortless video editing AI tools for beginners. In 2025, I think I will like this one if I choose to go with title selection. And here's the final help from YouTube. With related videos on this particular topic, just click any one of them and get to see what your competitors are actually creating. For real, this is really nice. You can click more over here to see more channel suggestions based on the video editing topic. Just go through them, and this will save you lots of time on research. Easy pitsy, lemon squizzy. YouTube just gave you a content assistant for $0. While everyone's paying monthly for tools, this one's already on your dashboard. No hacks, no Chrome extensions, no subscriptions, just YouTube itself. If this saved you hours, hit like and comment your first prompt idea below. Let's share what the secret AI tool gives us before it becomes mainstream.